St. Patrick's Day is almost here, and guess what else? It's also my birthday. That's right, I'm going to be turning another year older, and if you want to give me a birthday present, I can keep it really simple. I would love it if you guys check out my other videos on my channel too. So if you're watching this video and you're accustomed to just coming to watch based on one specific cryptocurrency, YouTube is what I do for a living. I really appreciate your guys' support. By watching other videos that I also do on my channel, it helps me with YouTube ad revenue. It helps me with search discoverability. It really goes a long way. So I hope you guys can take some extra time moving forward. Check out some of my other videos. I do try to put in some good hard work into each video I do. I love you guys, and with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the news with Operation Phoenix. So first up is looking on PancakeSwap, as I traditionally do. We see that this is still in a consolidated channel. Volume still in the same range. We're looking at about $57,000. This is kind of ranging between $50,000 to about $61,000, $62,000 daily. That's what I've been seeing more on the trend side. Now, compared to 24 hours ago, we're up 3.05%. What is interesting to note is the buy and the sell volume is even. And the reason why I say that that's interesting is because even though we've had green candles on the chart here recently, that's for the daily, we have still seen that there was a little bit more on the sell volume side than on the buy volume side. So to see that we're completely even on this day is in itself a nice little update. So I think that's really cool. Okay, hopefully we're going to start seeing more on the buy side and seeing that happening like a lot. But yeah, marketing has basically just started to get underway, them doing the AMAs. There's some cool things coming out around the corner here, like that swap, the infinity swap. Guys, the burning mechanism stuff, if they actually roll that out and it does what it says it does, I think it's got so much potential. We take a look over on BNB, and BNB, this is on the 15-minute time frame, is currently above $600. Remember that the all-time high is around $700. So with Operation Phoenix being tied onto this, ideally you want BNB to just keep going up. And BNB has a huge amount of potential still. Right now, it's sitting about 1/5 of the market cap of Ethereum. Think about that. BNB is only about 1/5 of what Ethereum's market cap is. So it has a huge amount of room to grow. If this thing breaks above $1,000, which seems very realistic, 700 was the previous all-time high. Going above $1,000 then raises the question, if it can hit $1,000, can it hit 2,000, 3,000, etc., right? So people are going to be asking that question big time, and it's going to be bullish for a lot of Binance Smart Chain-based cryptos as well, and Operation Phoenix is one that's definitely on my radar. Then we move over here to the subreddit post. Arbitration bot burning new YouTube videos and rating. Today was another major correction for crypto, with Bitcoin and Ethereum both down 3% each. This was 9 hours ago, by the way. However, Operation Phoenix managed to shine and have a 2% price growth over the last day. It may not seem like much, but growth is still growth. We must learn to walk before running. The project had a major run at launch and had an immediate pullback. Then we tried to run a few weeks later, and again, another 50% correction. Now that we stopped having crazy price bursts, we have had a nice steady walk back up. After our last run, we dipped to 0.036, and now we are slowly making our way up. Excuse me. And have managed to increase 30% since the dip. If you look at the chart, we have slowly been growing over the past 13 days. Don't worry, guys. I'll get through the video. Every day that goes by, the project gains more credibility. The first week of launch, people tried to FUD and say it was a pump and dump. Then people tried to FUD and say that we will be like SafeMoon. But every day that passes, we continue to grow and prove all the naysayers wrong. A majority of new crypto projects have a massive run at launch and die within the first 30 days. Operation Phoenix is pushing through its second month now, and each day the overall community sentiment enhances, and bonds inside of the community continue to grow and mature. One item that we do need to address, however, is the level of rating that everyone is doing. It seems like I see the same 20 or so people posting on social media or commenting on videos. The more you reply to the Twitter posts and comment on videos, the more likely algorithms will pick us up and recommend the material posted to other investors in the community. This is a community project, and we need to do our part to get the word out. Commenting on a Twitter post takes less than a minute, but will make a huge impact. Your investment is like a seed that you planted, and you need to try as hard as you can to grow it. Posting on social media outlets is like watering your plant and ensuring it has the best chance of succeeding. If you don't know what to do or how to do it, please see the pinned video in Telegram that Atlas made regarding marketing and getting the word about Operation Phoenix out. So yes, I did a little video talking about that. Very briefly, guys, if you go over onto Twitter, type in the hashtag altcoins, you're going to see a lot of posts that come up, people saying things like, what is the altcoin that you guys are buying right now? Which cryptocurrency do you think is going to 10x next or 100x next? If you believe that Operation Phoenix can really do that, then leave a comment underneath those posts. Tell people that you posted that so that other community members can find your tweet and go and like it, and also put their own post underneath it too. So it shows a lot more people are supporting the same project. Because a lot of people are posting about other cryptos. Why aren't we? It's a really simple question, right? Should be a simple answer too. The arbitration bot did a nice size burn today of 10,000 tokens, roughly $500. The whales were extremely quiet today. I didn't see any large sales that need to be addressed today. We had multiple new videos created by various YouTube personalities launched today to help with the marketing campaign. Mike was able to get our supply verified with CoinGecko, which will help with FDV ratio and other important statistics. The BNB lottery is still going. Even though the timer is stopped, you can purchase tickets, and Matt confirmed the lotto will draw once all the tickets have been sold. However, the burn portion is put on hold and will resume once the CoinMarketCap supply has been verified. Some final thoughts. Compared to the previous 4 days, it was considerably quiet today. Our Telegram group continued to grow, and it looks like we brought in some new investors. The weekend has officially started, and almost every weekend prior has been slow. Buckle down and remember that if we have a slow weekend of growth, it is what we usually expect. As always, I continue to stay bullish. If I ever feel like we are stagnant, I open my staking rewards and smile as I see the daily tokens I am making. If you are staking, then technically you're not stagnant like those who hold the tokens in their wallet. This just shows the importance of being in one of the staking pools. Keep those hands diamond. What do you guys think about all this? Feel free to share your thoughts down in the comments below. We're over 1,400 holders still over on the BSC scan. And again, guys, as I mentioned in my other videos, go check out the crypto exchange Margex. There's no KYC. You can do anywhere from 5x all the way to 100x leverage trading. You can buy crypto directly through their platform using MasterCard and Visa and other payment options. You can do copy trading, mimicking the trades of some other professional traders on the exchange, and you can see how they're performing. They also have staking options. And if you use my referral link, make a deposit of $100 or more, you can get a $50 referral bonus. It's available in many different regions. If it's not available in your region, there are people that use VPNs to get around this. I'm not saying you guys should do that. There are people that do that. And that's what I got for you guys in this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Appreciate my Patreon supporters. Double shout out thank you to We Love Victor Vegas, Worlds of Rizvi for being higher level patrons. Thank you to my YouTube members for your support as well. God bless, and we'll see you in the next episode.